welcome back. If you are watching this video, you know what we're about to do. System, I got the old shaker system with the sink. In my premium Mustang, you know, you got the leather and everything here. My premium 2012 Mustang GT. Don't got no screen, don't got no nothing, no navigation, nothing. So today, just like you see in this title, we are installing the Navos / I think it's Dynavin, I believe it's called. I think they're the same company, but for me, I bought Navos. That's the American muscle brand. The Navos OEM style touchscreen with navigation, and it has CarPlay as well. About to do all this is about to look better now. So let's get into the install. It's supposed to be plug and play, and you know I like that plug and play stuff. So without further ado, let's get into the install and see how hard it is. I'm not going to do a full install because American Muscle has a video on how to install the whole thing, but I'm going to show you a little bit of the process, things you need, and I'm going to tell you on a scale of 1 to 10 how hard it was. Muscle, only thing you need are an impact or a 1/4" ratchet, 8mm socket, I think 7 or 8mm, I can't remember which one, and then a pry tool. First things first, we got to get this whole center console off. So let's unscrew the shift knob. Connect all the stuff down here. This is for the cup holders, lights for the cup holders, I believe. So you can go ahead and squeeze that, disconnect this green thing, forgot what that's for. Disconnect that. It's for a base model. This isn't very base. Going by the instructions too, video and instructions. Gonna pry this open with your pry tool. So I'm gonna pop this open. We're gonna use a plastic one because you don't want to mess your stuff up. Had to learn that the hard way back in the day. 7 or 8 mils or something like that down there. And then bam, we got it off just like that. Bezel is completely off. Old thing. Shaker 500, I believe it's called. 5,000, something like that. Next, you gotta take these clips off, and because you're gonna save them for the new radio. Next, we gotta remove these 4 8mm screws. 7s, I don't know. I don't know why the instruction says 8s, but for me they're 7s. So you gotta disconnect the 2 plugs and the antenna. So, old radio out. Well, old display out. And then this big thing should come on out. Alright, when you get these out, you gotta kind of feel for the tabs here. You gotta pull this. You can only pull this. This is the antenna. Only pull it from the black, because if you pull the cable, you might mess up your connection. And then you pull these, you know, press down and tab, pull them out. So if I don't know if this comes out or not, depending on which one you have, what features you have, you're gonna have more wires in here. I don't have like dual climate or navigation, so that those wires are missing. Heated seats too, those are missing. Everything else I have, I think. So this is everything I got here. Now basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna set up in the box. They give you all your new connections for the new features, and you're basically just gonna set that up. Of everything you need for the install. I know it looks like a lot, but it's really not that bad because a lot of it is connected already. It's also labeled. iLink Pro is for your CarPlay, I believe. And yeah, so everything should be labeled. Like for example, it says iLink Pro, so this will go together. Reverse camera. This is for the reverse cam. I just took out the factory aux, added a new one in. I know y'all don't want to see this whole boring install, but basically I'm just hooking everything up. Since I have a sink, I have to do a couple extra steps. But, I mean, I'm going to show them kind of fast. I'm just going to do the steps just to show you instead of really going through it, because I'm quickly becoming a mess in here. But just don't worry. I had to basically get to a USB in there for the factory settings, the factory stuff. And I'm basically just had to route it through here. Look at that. Look how that's gonna look. I mean, you could just see the major difference there. Like, look at that. Look at how good it looks. I'm gonna start plugging everything into the back of the new unit. Getting all the connections right. You just saw I just did the microphone and the GPS antenna up there. CarPlay. To see if the screen actually work. See if it comes on, y'all. See if it come on. There's a lot of stuff going on back here. I'm gonna try to find a way to clean it up before I put this all the way back in, but it seems like it's working so far. And there we go. Let's see if the audio works. Let's see if the buttons work. Phone dies. Audio's a little low. I might have to readjust that. I don't know why, but my car has shaker. It has a shaker system. It says it on the old radio, but for some reason it works without using the amplifier to the shaker system. So I mean, I can't play the music, I'm gonna get copyright, but everything's good. So now we just gotta slap everything back in. Official peeling off the sticker here. Ooh, I still didn't even put the rest back yet. I just want to see if the CarPlay work real quick. That's the last thing. But Bluetooth does work. And then a little bit more. Bluetooth does work. And then we're gonna try. In fact, let's try the nav next. Oh, there we go. Oh, AC's on. What in the world? No wonder it was hot. Both on high. I don't even think I got dual climate. I don't think. The next part, well, the next thing I'm about to do, y'all gonna see who this is for. Y'all know it's for a bunch of people. This is all for y'all. Ready for this? Who don't got heated seats now? For the nav, they give you a little USB. I mean, a little micro SD to pop in here. I'm not, like I said, I'm probably not even gonna use the nav, but and then let's see, we're just gonna hit nav right there. Give it a second, give it a second. And I was just trying to make it go to New Jersey, and I don't even really know how to navigate it that well. So, but it seems very responsive. It's going to certain places. It has places programmed in there, I guess, but I don't know how to work it yet. So, on to the CarPlay. Let's see if CarPlay works. For Apple CarPlay, I think you got to put the dongle in and all that stuff, and then run it under the console, and then plug your phone in like so. You also got to disconnect from the Bluetooth or it won't work. So I just plugged it right in, and now it's connecting. CarPlay. Let's go put a song on. Let's put a song on real quick. Put a song on. Well, it's the same song I was playing. Let me start it from the beginning. Y'all can't hear it, but I can. And CarPlay, everything works. Like I said, the old unit next to the new one. Let's see if I can get a good picture for it. This is how you get that CarPlay, man. This is how you do it in an older model. Everything looks good, looks factory. You'd have never known the car didn't come like this. But that is the install. It only took me about 2 hours all in all. This is good better. If you enjoyed this video and you think you want that this unit here, if you have any questions, you can hit me up. But if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Browse for more, and most importantly, have a nice day.